I'm here in the airport and I'm waiting on my flight. I'm still sick, as you can see, but I'm watching Gilmore Girls, and it's currently already 8 o'clock, and my flight departure is around like 11, so I have to wait a bit. I'm low-key tired as hell. It's like so early to be traveling, and I'm so 1 point to Japan, and I get 1,000 points.
Attention all passengers. TSA regulations require all traveling individuals.
Bro, when you're jet lagged, you're jet lagged. But I'm looking a bit busted. Once I get back home, I'm gonna take a shower and do my hair, because tomorrow I have a casting. And yeah, I'm gonna go to this one shop and see what they got. But basically, it's like a convenience store, but like they have everything, and I'm super excited. It's called Dong something. I'm gonna put it on the screen. But if you're from Japan, you know that there's like there's this one store that has like 7 stories just full of fucking crap, but like it's good crap, you know what I mean? I look busted, yo. I look so busted. It's hot as fuck. Yo, it's like humid. Lord, this was like even worse from being in New York, but in New York it was humid as fuck. It's super pretty here at night.
A few moments later.
You know, but I don't know why. But look how pretty. I'm gonna make myself a regular grilled cheese, and look how thick the bread here is. Like, oh my gosh, it's so fluffy. Early morning, and I'm gonna get something to eat for breakfast in the convenience store. I think I'm gonna get like iced coffee or something, and we'll see what they have, but it's so hot out. Convenient. The family market is by my hotel. Literally right there. I got that with a pork. This is my coffee that I get from a family market. It's like the 7-Eleven, but a different version. I love the coffee from that one place. Like, it's so good. But like how aesthetically pleasing. I put caramel sugar on top. Like, I never knew there was flavors of sugar.
Tomorrow.
Hi, babies. What was that for? You're so cute. What? Hello, YouTube. I'm going to the babe store right now because I want to just like check it out. I just came out of a casting and I feel like it went good. They made me dance a little, like, which was kind of funny. Like, I never had somebody made me dance in a casting before, but you know, you do stuff new every day, I guess. But I've been getting used to the heat here a little bit, just a little. I'm not gonna get too excited, but
I still feel hot. Like I'm wearing jeans right now. Skinny jeans. So
Some photos I took during this week.